Hi guys, this is Fuzzo here, and today I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial of how to fix the arm mechanism on your funky monkeys, and also on any other item that uses this kind of mechanism. This specific funky monkey variant sings the monkey's theme. Got this off of eBay, and I just received this today. And now the thing that's wrong with it is that the arms don't move. It's the split gear because they do move up and down a little bit. The twisting and the head still works. The gear is starting to split in there, but it's not split yet, so I'm not gonna fix it yet. So this is what he does currently.
Hey, we're the monkeys. People say we monkey around. We're too busy singing. Put anybody down. Hey, we're the monkeys. You never know where we'll be found. So you better get ready. Baby, come to your town.
Now onto the tutorial. The first thing you're going to need to do is to cut the seam on the back down here. And now a seam ripper would usually do the trick, but also scissors would also do the trick just as well. Just make sure just to be careful when cutting around here and not cut the cloth. There's going to be this coat of inflatable fabric, which basically prevents stuffing from tangling up in the mechanism. Now to get this off, some people cut the top here and then slide it off, but there's no need to do so. You can just slide from the bottom up, just like so. And now this is what you're going to see. This whole part up here is for the arm mechanism, and this is what we're going to be tackling with the gear inside. So to get to the mechanism, the first step you're going to need to do is to unscrew these 4 screws that's holding in this plastic cover. And after that, you're going to need to unscrew the 2 screws that are holding in the circuit board. And now some people also unscrew these 2 side plates here, but there's not really much of a need to do that. You just need to unscrew these 2 big screws in the back so that the top and the bottom comes in 2. You're going to need to unscrew this screw in the front here as well so that the mechanisms actually come apart. Now you just need to take off these plates. Can be a little tricky to get off sometimes. And then now that you've unscrewed the screw in the front, this should come off as well. Now you just need to unscrew these brackets right here. There's 1 screw that holds each one in. And after that, you're gonna need to pull out the arms off the shaft. It's not kind of tricky to do, but I've been able to do it a few times before. You're going to need to take the shaft holder out as well in order to pull out the arms. You only need to take out the right arm. The left arm can stay in just fine. But now the next step is to take out the shaft holder so you can take out the headpiece. So now you're going to take off the belt off the pulleys. You're going to unscrew these 4 screws that's holding the gearbox together, and then unscrew these 2 little screws on the front here holding the motor in place. Now you can finally take the gearbox apart. The small gear is usually going to be the broken gear in the mechanism. This is a 9-tooth gear. You can buy spare ones of these off of Amazon. You're just going to take the old gear off and put the new one on. Now that you've got the new gear on, put the gearbox back together to see if it works.
Hey, we're the monkeys. People say we monkey around. We're too busy singing. Put anybody down.
It is working good now. You can put it back together. I'm going to show a time lapse of me putting it back together now. Just test it again to make sure that it works.
Hey, we're the monkeys. People say we monkey around. We're too busy singing. Put anybody down.
And now you can just put this inflatable fabric back on it and then put the skin back on it. Okay, he's all put back together now, so here he is in action.
Hey, we're the monkeys. People say we monkey around. We're too busy singing to put anybody down. Hey, we're the monkeys. Never know where we'll be found. So you better get ready. Baby, come to your town.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. And some people say that funky monkeys are kind of hard to fix, but it's really just unscrewing a lot of parts. So hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.